I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia if it's your first time here. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I created this beautiful look using some of my new LYS Beauty products. LYS Beauty recently launched some new cream glow blushes and a highlight, and in this video I'm just testing it out and showing you guys how I get this look. So if you want to see it, of course, keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Now let's get into it. So I already have my foundation on my face, and I'm super excited to be trying out this LYS Beauty sponge. I love beauty sponges, and this is just so cute and so different, so I can't wait to try this. So let's go into our concealer. And I have a full video on my channel of how I highlight and conceal my dark circles and the hollows under my eyes. So if you want to see that, I will link it below. But today, we're going to be trying our new products, so I'm just excited about getting to that. And as always, we're going to let this dry down and then blend it out. All right, moment of truth. Those who've been here for a while know that I am a beauty sponge girly. I feel like it gives the most natural finish, skin-like finish, so I love using my sponge. But I also believe that not all sponges are made equally. So, I mean, so far so good. Look at that. I didn't have to do too much work to blend it out. It's definitely a little bit different, like to hold, you know what I mean? I have to figure out what way works best to hold it. So a little bit of a learning curve, but not too bad. Not too bad, right guys? I'm going out the nose. And I always use the butt of any sponge that I use as like my eraser. I like. So far so good. It's actually, I don't feel like I'm doing too much work just to blend it out. Look how neatly it fits in the corner here. Wow. Give me a nice straight edge. Oh, and this is damp, because you guys know I only use my sponges damp, so this is damp. Okay, not bad. So there's definitely a little bit of a learning curve, but it did blend out really well and really fast. You guys seen that. So I know you guys are here to see the stars of the show, the blush and the highlight. So I'm gonna just speed through and get this contour done so we can see the good stuff. But this again is the LYS Beauty contour stick. I absolutely love this contour stick. And I believe I have a review on it on my channel as well. Okay, y'all, so now time for the stars of the show. If you've seen my haul, you've seen what I got. If you haven't seen my haul, go and check it out, okay? All right, so I have these two blushes, Outgoing and Courageous. One's pink and one's orange. I love wearing an orange blush because, I mean, you just can't go wrong with the orange blush. But I can't lie, I'm low-key leaning towards trying the pink one.
And then I have Genuine is my highlighter. So this is the packaging that the blushes come in, and it's just like the contour stick, but this is giving like more of an iridescent kind of look. And just in case you didn't see the review, this is the orange one. So beautiful, oh my gosh. And then this is the pink one. The orange one's gonna go better with the look I have going on, which isn't really a look, but I wanna try the pink one. Can I try both? I wanna try the pink one. I wanna wear the pink one in this video. Is that crazy? Okay, we'll try the orange one because it's safe. And if anything, I'll add a little pink on top. It's a cream glow blush stick, so it's giving like a nice glow within. And I think this is gonna work perfectly because I'm wearing such a matte foundation, so I can give myself a nice little glow with blush. All right, so let me just give you guys a swatch on my hand in case haven't seen it. This is what it's giving. Can't go wrong with that, right? All right, I'm just gonna use my brush and kind of brush it on here. I don't want to swipe it to my skin. I'm so excited, y'all. All right, let's see. These are super pigmented, so I forgot that and used so much. I know better. I know better by now. I should know better by now anyway. Like, look at that. I'm tapping gently. Look at that color. I'm scared. Like, that's a lot. Let me just go to the next side because I overdid it. Yeah. You guys see how beautiful it is though? Like, if you're a brown skin girl, you can't go wrong with a orange blush, okay? Orange is our best friend, like, especially during the summer when you want to just have that nice kind of, helps you kind of get that sun-kissed look, at least on me anyway. Like, look at that. So it's super pigmented, but you could just blend it out really easily and get like a gentle flush of color, or you could just go ham. It's up to you, okay? So beautiful, like, oh my god. I think I'm gonna go with my beauty sponge and just kind of blend this out more because I don't want it too crazy. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. I don't need to do too much. So you see, like, it's giving like a nice glow from within, but LYS Beauty also released a glow stick highlighter. Like, look at this rose gold packaging, so cute. So even though I already have a glow from within because of the blush, you can never have enough glow. So we're gonna go in with this beautiful, beautiful shade. This is called Genuine and it's a rose gold. I never used like a highlight stick before, but I'm gonna just use my little highlighting brush and do the same thing. Hopefully, we'll just use a little at first because I'm scared. And the high points, holy moly, that's pretty. Do you see that? Hey, this is so pretty. This and the blush together is giving. It is giving, baby. Look at me. Look at this girl, fine girl. Look at this fine girl. I love it. So pretty. Just for fun, we're gonna go down the bridge of our nose. You already know that I don't usually do this because I have an oily T-zone. But this is so pretty today. I have to. I love it. This is everything that I needed it to be. And then the next items I have is the lip pencil and lipstick. I just take the back of it and kind of blend out the liner. I have a little small mouth. I kind of extend the ends of my mouth right here, and also overdraw it just a little bit. And then the lipstick is called Sincere, and this is a pinky nude color. It feels so soft. It's matte, but it's not drying at all. And you see how pretty that is? Just like the perfect nude combo. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Look at the blush, how it's just got my cheeks popping. The highlight, I love it. And then my lips, I did put on a lip gloss. I kind of wish I left it matte, but it's still cute. So yeah, I had fun trying all these products with you guys. I hope you had fun as well. So I do have a 20% off discount code that I'll leave across the screen and in the description box in case you want to purchase some of these items or some other items from LYS Beauty. Tell me what you guys think about this look down below. I feel pretty. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.